Make a great choice today with the 2018 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, FWD. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.